Okay, once again, whether my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Just check. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whether you are observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Shall we move?
Okay, sir.
So whatever problems we have seen, that problems, so either it is a inclined force, it's most important. Either it is vertical, we can say whatever forces we have seen, either it is passing in horizontal direction or maybe it may be a vertical force. But whatever forces we will see now, so a little we can say some different problem we will see now. So is it possible to see this problem statement?
Yes, sir.
You can note
Yes,
down now. You can note down and you can write this. Determine the resultant movement of the four forces acting on the rod as shown in figure about point O. About point O. This problem we want to solve now. So what we have to do, we have to find whether this diagram is visible. Are you observing diagram, or is it possible to see this diagram clearly?
yes, sir.
Okay, so you can draw by freehand this diagram. Actually, there is one rod in which how many forces are there? You will see. So I will give 1 minute time. You just see this diagram carefully. So how many forces are there? How many forces?
Four.
Four forces are there. Okay, so what we want to find out from this? Determine the what it is told here. Determine the
Movement at O.
moment at point O. We have to find out. Total four forces are applied on this object. Which are they? First one is 50 Newton force, which is at point A. Then 60 Newton force, which is point B. Then 20 Newton and 40 Newton respectively at point C. Okay. So just draw this diagram and see carefully how it can be found out. And we will start. Have you drawn this diagram? So distances, etc. Carefully you have to note down. Huh? So still students are joining. So for 1 minute, just note down this problem, then we will solve in solution. So here I will write. So I will write from here solution, something like this. Solution. Okay. So to find, so instead of given, so what we are supposed to find? So what we are going to find? To find moment
At point O.
at point O. Okay, so this is our aim, I will say. This is our aim. So first one, so either Roman 1 or we can write 1A, etc. Whatever you want to write. So what is that? Movement due to 50 Newton force. So whether this diagram is clearly visible? This diagram is roll number four?
Yes, sir. This thing.
Okay. So I will write here movement due to which force? 50 Newton force first equal to. So what is our general formula? Simple. Magnitude
Magnitude into perpendicular.
Magnitude into perpendicular distance.
Perpendicular distance. Magnitude into perpendicular distance. So what is magnitude? 50 Newton.
50 Newton.
What about perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance between point O and line of action of force 50 Newton. How it will be? How much it will be?
2 meter, 2 meter.
2 meter.
2 meter. 2 meter. So what will be this product? 100?
100
100. What will be its unit?
Newt-
Newton meter.
Newton meter.
Most important thing about sign convention. What will be its sign?
Negative,
Negative,
positive, positive,
positive,
sir.
positive, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, positive.
positive. Because point
Sir.
O. Ganesh, you want to tell something, Ganesh? Namkani?
No, sir.
Okay. So whatever sign is there, so it will be positive. Why? Because if point O is fixed and force applied at O, you can imagine point O is in your left hand side, 50 kilonewton is force applied. So how this object will rotate? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So
Clockwise.
what sign will come here? Positive.
Positive.
So is there any problem in 50 Newton force? Next force now. 60 Newton. 60 Newton force. So I will write here moment due to 60 Newton 60 Newton force म्हणूया आपण. ठीक आहे. So what it will be? 60 Newton force. Apply the mind and tell me at point B force is applied at point B horizontally. I will say horizontal or along x-axis or horizontal. So what will be that force?
0.
0. 16, roll number 16, Shubham. What will be the moment at point O with respect to 60 Newton force? Shubham, 16, roll number. Whether it will be 0?
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
It will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Line of action passing point.
Very good. So whatever line of action of force 60 Newton is there, it is passing through point O.
Oh.
So that moment due to force 60 Newton will be 0. It is as simple as this. Line of action of force 60 Newton is passing through point O. That's why moment due to that force will be 0. Okay. Next now. Moment due to 40 Newton and 20 Newton force. Moment due to, next we will write now. Let us see. So here we will write moment due to which force? 20 Newton, and which is another one? 40 Newton force. So what we require? So if you will see here, so here that both the forces, is it inclined or horizontal or vertical? This 20 Newton and 40 Newton force. कशा आहेत? Inclined आहेत, vertical आहेत का horizontal? How it is? Vertical and
vertical.
One
Vertical and horizontal.
vertical and horizontal. What our formula tells? Moment is equal to force into or
Force
magnitude
into
into
perpendicular distance.
perpendicular distance. But whether perpendicular distance is with us, if I will ask what is the perpendicular distance of 20 Newton force from point O, तुम्ही सांगू शकता का किती आहे किंवा दिलेला आहे का प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये? Is it given? Maybe this whether these distances are given?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you will see carefully, these distances are not given. So we have to find these distances. So let's find. So I will write here. So I will write here.
Component.
So let's find perpendicular distances. Perpendicular distances of 20 Newton and 40 Newton forces. I will say forces from point O, or let's find the perpendicular distances from point O, from point O, like this we will find. Okay, so how it can be found now? काय करावं लागेल? So whatever distance is given BC, how much it is given distance BC?
3 meter.
3 meter. 3 meter distance is given. Now you have to apply here some trigonometric formulas. So whatever this triangle is given, so this triangle you have to make it as a right angled triangle, something like this. हा असा triangle करायचा इथं. हा point आहे B, this point is B, this point is C. So let's take this point, whether A is there, A, B, C, D we will take. This point we will take D. So whatever angle is given, so what will be this angle? Apply your logic and tell me what will be this angle?
60.
What will be this angle? B,
30
D,
angle.
huh?
30.
30?
60 degree.
30 angle. So whoever has given answer 30 angle, it is given with horizontal. So this angle is given. So whatever angle is given, so this angle. So whether you are observing my cursor. From this to this angle is given 30. So what will be this angle?
60.
60 degree. Is there any problem to have this 60 degree angle? So this will be 90. This angle will be so this angle will be 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. काय प्रॉब्लेम इथं? हा अँगल कसा येतोय 60? एनी प्रॉब्लेम? का कळालं नाही कोणाला अजून? So what will be this angle again? This angle
30 degree.
30 degree.
30.
So, and which distances we need? So which distance is given? 3 meter? 3 meter, which distance is given? This
BC.
BC.
this is given. So
BC.
which distance, if we will know, आपल्याला कुठलं डिस्टन्स काढायचं आहे? B to D and D to C. These two distances we want to find out. How to find now?
Pythagoras theorem.
Sin 60 degree.
पायथागोरस वापरून काय करायचं? एकच बाजू माहिती घेऊ. Only one side we are knowing. What to do?
Sin 60 degree is equal
Sin 30 degree.
360.
930 is equal to
Sin 30 is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse.
Okay, so sin 60 we will apply. Means sin 60 is equal to, let's apply sin 60 equal to, what will be? Sin 60 is equal to, what will be sin 60? CD?
Sir,
Ha.
sir 30 degree angle वापरावा लागणार ना 20 न्यूटनच्या फोर्सला काढायचं म्हणल्यावर.
Then both we are going to.
ओके सर, ओके.
Ha. Hello. Ha. See, both distances we have to find out. Distance BD and CD, both we require. So what will be 60? Sin 60, opposite side CD, opposite side divided by hypotenuse CB or BC. So what will be CD now? Simply CD is equal to, what will be CD?
sin 60 into BC.
Huh? BC into sin 60. How much it is? Calculate sin 60. How much it is? CD will be CD equal to how much? BC is given 3 meter. Sin 60. Calculate and tell. किती येत आहे?
2.59.
2.59. Same answer. Someone else should tell again. 21 roll number. 21 again, who is Avinash? 62. 20. How much it is? 2.59. Unit will be what we have calculated. So this distance we have calculated. Another one. So if I want to calculate BD distance, BD. So which angle I have to apply here? So I will apply here. Which I have calculated now this 2.59. So what about this?
Sin
BD.
30 degree.
Huh?
Sin 30 degree is equal to BD upon BC.
Sin 30 is equal to
BD upon BC.
BD upon BC. No issue. Either you can apply sin 30 or cos. जर cos apply करायचं असेल तर cos 60.
For 60.
cos 60.
No issue. Anything you can apply. So what I will write, as you have told, I will apply here. Sin 30 is equal to BD upon
BC.
BC. So BD is equal to how much? Sin 30
1.5.
into BC3. So it equal to, so it will be equal to
1.5.
1.5.
1.5 meter. So directly I will write here. So for your information, there are two triangles property you should know. ते माहिती आहेत का बघा, 30 60 90 अँगल आणि 45 45 90 अँगल ह्याच्या प्रॉपर्टी माहित आहेत का तुम्हाला? Have you heard somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That also you can apply here. तरी कोणीतरी उत्तर देणं अपेक्षित होतं की 30 60 90 अँगल आहे. हा काय प्रॉपर्टी आहे हो 30 60 90 अँगलची? माहितीये 30 डिग्री अँगलच्या समोरील बाजू ही डायगोनलच्या हाफ असते आणि 60 डिग्रीच्या समोरची बाजू ही डायगोनलच्या किती असते? How much it is?
2 by
Root
3 by
root 3.
3 upon.
Correct. Root 3 by 2. Very good. Very good. On the other hand, 45 45 90 हिची काय प्रॉपर्टी आहे?
1 upon
1
root
upon
2
by
hypotenuse.
1 upon
Root 2.
root 2. Very good. 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. Very good. Very nice. Actually, I was expecting this answer. So we have calculated, no issue now. So what we have calculated, I am showing in the diagram. No? Which distances we have calculated, I am showing in diagram now. So this distances, how much we have here, we have given name as D, correct? So which distance? CD, how much it is? CD 2.59. Okay, and what is this vertical distance? So I will write it
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. In diagram I have shown. So if I want to need to write meter, here I will write meter. Correct. Now distances are known for 20 Newton force and 40 Newton force. Both the distances are now known. So now simply we can calculate now. Moment due to, here I will write now. Third number I will write here. Very simple now. Moment due to how much? 20 Newton force. 20 Newton force equal to magnitude into perpendicular distance. How much it will be? What is magnitude? 20 Newton into perpendicular distance of 20 Newton force from
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. Is there an objection in 1.5 distance? कुणाला काय शंका आहे का की 1.5 कसं आलं? Is there any problem to know how that distance is 1.5? जर शंका असेल तर मी काय करतो, हा जो 20 न्यूटन फोर्स आहे, that line of action, it is not necessary to increase in front direction. This line of action we can extend in backward direction also. Likewise, अशी सुद्धा आपण backward करू शकतो. हे distance किती येईल हो हे? What will be this distance?
1.5.
1.5 meter. So simply what will be this answer? 20 into 1.5, 30
30
Newton meter. So what about sine? Sine?
Minus.
Plus minus?
Plus.
Plus?
minus. नाही प्लस येते प्लस.
Plus, sir.
Plus
Plus,
20 Newton
Plus,
force?
sir.
Plus 20.
Plus.
Plus.
Plus?
Plus.
Is it that object is rotating? So 20 Newton force is here. So are you observing? It is here. That force is here. I have underlined it.
Sir, minus.
Minus.
Huh?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, it is coming anti-clockwise, so it will be minus. How you are saying plus, I don't know. It is coming minus. Okay. काय शंका आहे हे मायनस का आलं? If you are feeling this point O and this force is at having some larger distance, हा फोर्स तुम्ही इथेही दाखवू शकता बरं. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर हा फोर्स पॉइंट O च्या ठिकाणी दाखवायचा असेल जवळ, तर हा फोर्स तुम्ही इथं दाखवा. Force you can show like this. This force you can show. This force you can show here also like this 20 Newton. हा फोर्स तुम्ही इथे दाखवू शकता. असा इथे एक लक्षात. आता तुम्ही इमेजिन करू शकता का बघा पॉइंट O इथं आहे आणि 20 न्यूटन फोर्स इथं आहे. So it will rotate this. In which direction it will rotate? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Next now. So this answer is over. Minus 13 Newton meter. Next now. Moment due to which force now? Which?
40 Newton.
40 Newton.
Newton.
Magnitude into
Perpendicular distance.
same now, same formula. What is magnitude? 40. What will be the perpendicular distance?
6.59.
6.59 is one answer. Another, any more answer? 6.59 is one answer. Any other answer? What will be the perpendicular distance? का समजत नसेल
2.59.
2.59.
2.59 कुठल्या पॉइंट पासून घेतलं होतं तुम्ही 2.59 आपल्याला कुठल्या पॉइंट भोवती मोमेंट काढायचा आहे पॉइंट O मग O पासून लाईन ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ फोर्स 40 न्यूटन याच्यामधलं अंतर किती पॉइंट O आणि लाईन ऑफ ऍक्शन ऑफ फोर्स 40 न्यूटन 40 न्यूटन फोर्स आणि पॉइंट O
103.60.
6.59.
6.59.
how much
6.59.
6.59 is the correct answer. Why? Because if at all this 40 Newton force if will extend in backward direction something like this असा जर तो आला तर मग आता मोजा सगळे डिस्टन्सेस असा फोर्स आहे इथं 40 न्यूटन आता सगळे डिस्टन्स मोजा हॉरिझॉन्टल सगळे हॉरिझॉन्टल मोजायचे आता एक आहे 2 मीटर दुसरा आहे 2 मीटर म्हणजे O to A 2 मीटर A to B 2 मीटर and B to C horizontal I am saying B to C horizontal how much it is 2.59 you should not add 3 meter because it is not horizontal नाहीतर असं कर चाल 2 अधिक 2 अधिक 3 it is wrong so 2 plus 2 plus 2.59 so answer here perpendicular distance will come 6.59 काय problem any problem in this distance 6.59 काय शंका आहे कसं काय आलं 6.59
No, sir.
No, shall we? Now you calculate this now. 40 into 6.59. How much it is?
263.6.
2.6.
63.6.
263.
हा
63.6.
Point
0.6
Newton meter. What about its sign?
positive.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes.
Positive.
Yes,
It
sir.
will be positive. There is no confusion. So it's a good thing you are not confused here. This is one. Again, this is another moment. Again, here one is 0 and another one is 100. Here there is a 100. So final step now. Total moment. Total moment. Calculate now. Total moment is equal to. Calculate total moment. Shall we go for addition? So 100 plus. I think here one we got 0. Then minus 30 plus 263.6. Correct. Equal to. Do this. 100 plus 0 minus 30 plus 263.6. Calculate.
333.6
333.6.
Plus minus.
Plus.
Plus
Plus
How much? 2.
300.
300.
300.
300.
33.
33.6.
6.
300. 333.6. Like this.
Yes, sir.
333.6. Unit will be Newton.
Newton.
Newton meter. This will be unit for this. So like this you have to go for. Understood? So most important, like this problems will be there for your exam. Like this problem you will get 333.6 Newton meter plus. What plus indicate? Plus what plus indicate?
Clockwise direction.
So whatever movement is there, so that movement is having clockwise direction. Whatever movement is there, it is having
Clockwise direction.
clockwise direction. Understood? Shall we
Yes,
go
sir.
next? Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Bola. Who is there? Sohail 63. Sohail, you want to ask something? 63.
no sir, no sir.
Somebody said, sir. Roll number 1. You want to ask something?
No, sir.
Who want to ask something? You can ask. No issue. If there any problem, if you are not understanding something, you can directly ask. No issue. Who's there? Abhijit, you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we go next? If you are having problem, you are free to ask. I will give time. Don't worry. जर काही शंका असेल तर बिनधास्त विचारा. Because we are moving in now in applied engineering mechanics in depth now. आपण कोर्स सिलेबस चालू केलेला आहे. We have entered in our syllabus now. Shall we go next?
Sir,
Yes,
Ah.
sir.
can you repeat once?
Which one? What? Who is there? Shubham is there?
Yes, sir.
One bending moment, one rod is given which is not straight, it is having bend from O to A to B and B to C. Like segments are there for this. याला एवढे सेगमेंट आहेत आणि फोर्स किती लावलेत मराठीत सांगतो आता मुद्दाम 4 फोर्स आहेत. एक आहे 50 न्यूटन फोर्स ए ठिकाणी आहे, 60 न्यूटन फोर्स बी या ठिकाणी आहे आणि सी या ठिकाणी 2 फोर्स आहेत, 20 न्यूटन आणि 40 न्यूटन. त्याच्यामधला 20 न्यूटन हॉरिझॉन्टल आहे, 40 न्यूटन व्हर्टिकल आहे. आपल्याला मुवमेंट काढायचा आहे पॉइंट ओ भोवती. तर मुवमेंटची डेफिनेशन अशी आहे की फोर्स इंटू परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स. तर फोर्स माहिती आहे, परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स माहिती आहे, 50 गुणिले 2 केला आपण 100 आलं. जर ओ पॉइंट फिक्स असेल आणि 50 न्यूटन फोर्स लावला तर ते ऑब्जेक्ट कसं फिरतंय बघायचं. इज इट क्लॉकवाइज ऑर अँटी क्लॉकवाइज? इफ इट इज रोटेटिंग क्लॉकवाइज plus, so here we have given plus sign 100 Newton meter. Then coming back to 60 Newton force which is applied at point B. So once that force is applied, that particular force is passing through point O. So two special cases we have seen. If particular force passing through a point, moment is 0. If line of action of force is passing from particular point, moment is 0. It is falling in second case. Line of action of force 60 Newton passing through point O, moment is 0. Then we went to 20 Newton and 40 Newton force here. But perpendicular distance is directly is not given. Directly it is not known. So that's why we have constructed one triangle BDC. BDC from which one angle is given 30 degree actually. So here you can see. So if you will, if I will draw here some dotted line. So which angle is given? So here that angle is given something like this. तर हा angle दिलेला आहे 30. 30 angle is given. So are you observing window clearly? 30 angle is given. And this 30. So we have constructed BDC. Then 60, 30, 30, 60, 90. That angle came as a 30, 60, 90. Then we have calculated, we know BC, so we calculated BD and DC. Like this we have calculated. Both this we have calculated. Okay. Then we found out perpendicular distances. We found perpendicular distances. Which distances? BD and DC. Means 20 Newton force distance माहित झालं, 40 Newton force perpendicular distance म्हणतो, not only distance, perpendicular distance. And finally आपण काय केलं, force into perpendicular distance फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय केला, मोमेंट काढली आणि फायनली ऍडिशन केली. Likewise. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So next one more problem we will solve. One simple problem, one more problem we will solve here. So this was over. Okay. So simple one. So let us see. So are we able to see diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here a problem statement. Write down, very simple problem. Find moment at point C. Find moment at point C due to given force system. Moment at point C due to given force system. Due to given force system. So here it is given 10 Newton. Sorry. Okay, shall we solve this problem, or is it possible for you to solve? Very simple. At point C we are supposed to calculate moment. येईल का सोडवता हा problem?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. How many forces are there?
3.
3 forces
Three
are
forces.
there. So how much it is? This force is 10 Newton, no? So I am unable to read. Sorry. So how much it is? 10 Newton? 10 Newton. Okay. How many forces? 1, 2, 3. So shall I solve, or you are going to solve? So here I will write solutions, or I will clear. Shall we solve immediately this problem? Okay. Moment at point, which point we are supposed to find out?
C.
Point C. So first point C. So first point, moment due to 10 Newton force equal to magnitude into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. How much it will be?
काय लेक्चर करत बसलोय संपते.
How much it will be? 30? 30?
Yes.
So distance will be 300 centimeter into 10. So are you going to convert this distances? Not necessary. We will write in Newton centimeter likewise. Moment. So how much it will be? Magnitude 10 into
10.
what will be the distance?
30. 50.
30.
50.
50?
30.
Distance
30, sir,
between
30.
30.
30. So it will be 300, no?
Newton meter.
Yes.
Yes.
Newton meter or Newton centimeter?
Centimeter.
Newton centimeter.
So is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? It will be clockwise, no? At point C. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Okay, next
Clockwise.
moment. Okay, next moment.
Clockwise.
Moment due to F2, I will write F2. Moment due to F2 equal to 10 into 10. 10 into 10. how much it will be?
100.
100 Newton centimeter.
Newton centimeter.
Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Point C is fixed. F2 force is applied. F2.
Minus.
Minus.
So it will be minus. Then, so here directly I will write now. Third, F3. Due to F3, for F3, what will be the apex component in short? Apex component for F3, what will be apex component?
F cos 30.
F cos theta.
F cos theta equal to F is 10 into cos 30. Correct? How much it is?
Yes, sir.
8.6.
8 point?
8.66.
8.66. 8.66 Newton. So moment. How much? एक जण सांगा जरा क्लिअरली. 3 रोल नंबर 3 सांगा बरं. 10 into cos 30. का बरोबर आहे?
8.66.
करेक्ट.
बरोबर आहे सर.
हा बरोबर आहे. मोमेंट ड्यू टू एपेक्स. मोमेंट ड्यू टू एपेक्स किती येणार? एपेक्स इंटू परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स. कॅल्क्युलेट. किती लो? एपेक्स फोर्स हॉरिझॉन्टल असेल. करेक्ट. परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स किती लो? हॉरिझॉन्टल असल्यावर 0. सो इट विल बिकम 0. सिंपल. एपेक्स मुळे 0 होणार. व्हॉट अबाउट Fy? Fy इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट F sin theta. F sin theta. So 10 into sin 30, no? How much it will be? 5 Newton. So moment.
5 Newton.
Okay. So moment equal to Fy into perpendicular distance. Calculate perpendicular distance. How much it will be? Fy is 5. What is perpendicular distance?
20.
20. So how much it will be? 100
Newton per centimeter.
Newton per centimeter. So total now आपण चारी फोर्सेस काढले. So total is equal to total
300 Newton per centimeter.
So one is 100, one is 0, another one is, so like this it will come, no? 300 plus 100 minus 100. Correct आहे का बघा किती येते? Plus or minus? Plus 300 Newton centimeter. This will be our answer. Any problem? Anything? लक्षात आलं का हे? हा?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What
Yes,
yes,
sir.
what no?
लक्षात आलं सर.
आलं? काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल यू आर फ्री टू आस्क ऍट एनी टाइम. आपण आता कोर्स सिलेबस कडे चाललेलो आहोत. नेक्स्ट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट सिलेबस. ओके, दॅट कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्रोसेस. काय प्रॉब्लेम असतील डायरेक्टली विचारू शकता ऍट एनी टाइम. ओके, तर मोमेंटचे आपण भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम सोडवले. वी हॅव सॉल्व्ड मेनी मोर प्रॉब्लेम. कुणाला काय शंका आहे का? असेल तर डायरेक्टली विचारू शकता. एनी कुणाला डिफिकल्ट असं काय वाटतंय का हे? वेदर आवर सब्जेक्ट इझी और डिफिकल्ट?
Easy.
Easy, no issue. Only calculations we have to go for sincerely. Okay. Next time we will start composition of forces. Composition of forces, finding out resultant. Next time we will start. Okay. So you can give your number and you can leave.